What's the meaning of life? Is it about growing up? Doing what you are told? Following the system? Doing what's expected? Getting sick? Becoming old? And dying? Surely that can't be it? When's the last time you stopped and took a second to just breathe? Feel the wind against your skin, smelling the grass, looking up at the sky, watching it change colors, smelling the flowers, crunching leaves beneath your feet. Finding your true love. Doing something you love with the people you love. Celebrating, partying, and feeling every emotion. Get off your phones. Live. And experience the true meaning of human nature.